Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Jenny Sapon and I look completely half asleep, and that's totally okay because we are going to be doing a Silly George lash video. They sent me like 4 different lash styles. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you, Silly George, for sending these over to me, and I also want to say thank you for understanding. You guys are such a great team to work with. You guys still want to work with me even though I needed that long break, and so I'm just gonna stop babbling and let's get started. Little bag that they gave me, they also gave me 4 different lash styles and a couple of Linerbond lash liners. This is what the style of the lashes look like. So in honor of the new clear Linerbond Pro that they came out with, I will be using the clear Linerbond lash adhesive liner, and I'm going to do a quick simple makeup glam just because I do feel a little naked, and even if I'm going with a simple natural look, I still always make sure that I have some sort of eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna buff like brown shadow onto my eyelids just so that it has a little bit of depth and I don't look so dull. So I'm just buffing in just windshield wiper motions, and then I love a little glimmer, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of like a shimmer shade and just sweep it across. So the first lash style I want to be wearing is Girl Goals. I am really obsessed with this one just because you can just see how full it is, and just it's so lightweight and they don't feel heavy at all, and this is why I love this brand so much. I'm just going to use the little tweezers that they have, and I'm just going to remove the lashes from the container just so that they're easier to grab when I apply my liner. So like I said, I'm just going to use the clear Linerbond. This is their older one. They do have a newer one, which is I will insert right here, and I need to go buy that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on just like how you would apply a regular liner, and it's so easy to wear. Anyone can wear this. Like, look how easy this is. Pop it on. See? Let me go ahead and do the other side real quick. The one thing I love about this clear Linerbond is that I don't have to be so precise, especially like with like a regular liner, just because it's clear and no one's going to see that I literally just kind of threw it on. This is great for an everyday look. This is great for date night when you're going out with your girls. Glam it up, or you can wear it super natural. I'm going to go ahead and remove these. So the reason why I'm doing this in clear is just so that you can see what the lashes look like, and I'm wearing a very natural makeup look so you can see what the style lashes look like. My eyes are a little smaller and I don't want to like wear a heavy makeup so that it takes away from the lashes. So the next one is Girl About Town. So this is one of those accent lashes. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this liner just because I feel like it might be a little dry. I'm not sure. I don't want to be having any mishaps. I feel like I should have worn more makeup on this one, but it's totally okay. Look how cute and flirty this looks. I feel like it looks really good with the cute little winged liner. I love how it opens up my eyes a little more. I love how fun and flirty this look is. It definitely just accentuates my eyes a little bit. I feel like this look deserves a pop of color. So I'm going to pop a color pink like right here, just because it is such a beautiful lash. Okay, so now on to the next one. It is called Girl Crush. It is so freaking beautiful. I know it looks a little scary, it looks a little bit dramatic, a little more spaced out. I know with all these little clusters you're afraid that like it might be too dramatic, that you can't wear it on every day, but when I put this on and I show you that you can, you're gonna be like, I want those. Pop this on real quick. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Like in the packaging it looks dramatic and you're like, I can't wear this, Jenny, like it looks too dramatic, but look at how gorgeous these lashes are. And this is also one of my, honestly so far they're all my favorites. I love them all. When you use this clear liner bond, you can go in with just a regular liner if you want, if you prefer having just a little bit of liner just to hide in the lash band, but it's so thin that like you can't even tell that there's a lash band on there. It's beautiful. So the last one is called Girl Boss. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's very similar to Girl Crush. It looks a little dramatic in the pan, but when you wear it, it is so freaking beautiful. So this is what Girl Boss looks like. I feel like Girl Boss is like an older version of Girl Crush. If you aren't, like if you like this lash style but it's a little bit too dramatic for you, I feel like Girl Crush would be the perfect one for you, just because it's not as lengthy. I feel like Girl Boss has a little more body, it's a little bit fuller. They're so lightweight, they're so easy to wear. It doesn't even feel like you have lashes on, and they're just so easy to wear, especially with the Linerbond. But comment down below which one is your favorite. I would love to know, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked anything in this video, you can use my code JennySayPon15 at checkout and you can get 15% off. That isn't just, it can go for accessories and lashes. It's not just only lashes or only Linerbonds, it's the entire website, and that's amazing because why not look cute and save some money? You can catch me on all my social medias, TikTok and Instagram at JennySayPon. And since you're already here, you might as well subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.